This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about barware, specifically these great beer glasses. We have several different options available for beer glasses, and we've got some of them here to show you. The first is the 9-ounce Forma glass. It's a double-walled design that's a Pilsner glass. It's 3 inches in diameter and 7 inches in height. Next is the 14-ounce tall footed Pilsner. It's 2.5 inches in diameter by 9.5 inches high. Then there's this 16-ounce tin can pint. It's got a fun, whimsical tin can inspired design. It's 3 inches in diameter and 4.75 inches in height. The 16-ounce conical pint is just a really classic take on that pint glass. It's 3.5 inches in diameter by 5.75 inches in height. Next, we have the 16-ounce flared craft beer pint that has a nice, beautiful shape to it to really show off those lovely craft beers. It's 3.5 inches in diameter and 5.75 inches in height. Then we have the 18-ounce stemmed Pilsner. It has that lovely tulip shape to the glass and a beautiful stemmed design. It's 3.5 inches in diameter by 8 inches in height. Next, we have the 16-ounce tulip beer pint. This one has a soft tulip shape to it, and it's just a really sleek presentation. It's 3 inches in diameter by 5.75 inches height. Then we have the 20-ounce Imperial Nonic pint. It's 3.5 inches in diameter by 6 inches high. There's other sizes and styles and even tasting glass options available in this line of beer glasses. So you have plenty of choices to pick that perfect one for your presentation. They're all made of premium glass for a really high-end look and a great way to display all of your beers, whether those are Pilsners, IPA, or craft creations. Many of the styles can also double up for use as water, tea, soda glasses, or even to be used for cocktails and juices. The premium glass is durable and will really stand up to heavy use and is made for use in commercial environments. They're perfect for any bar or restaurant looking for stylish and dependable beer glasses.